If you want to give your TikTok video a cool and dramatic sound, the echo effect is a great option. It's built right into the app and applying it only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone and then tap on the plus button at the bottom to create a new video. Here, record a video or upload one from your gallery. And once done, tap the check mark to move to the editing screen. Here, tap on the mic icon on the right hand side and from the list of effects, find and tap on echo to apply it. You can preview it by hitting play. Once you're happy, tap on save at the top right and post your video as usual. The echo effect will be included. And that's all. That's how you add the echo effect to any TikTok video quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.